So, Jai Hind everyone. Welcome back to the Fuzzy Vision. And so today the topic of our video is we will discuss that after going to home, after completing our course of DW SSB interview, what we are going to do in home and how we will practice for the SSB. We will talk accordingly. And we have our members with us. As you already know, he's Archit Tiwari and he's Nikhil and he's Saurabh. So we together tell you about what we are going to do after going home and how we are, whatever the plan we have, we will tell you all. So Archit, continue with you.
So first on 11th, I'll grab the train Vande Bharat to Lucknow. 12 o'clock at night I'll reach. I'll have a good sleep, and then coming days I'll just enjoy a little bit. Try to play with friends, cricket, etc. Try to divert my mind because we have an extreme training coaching here. So I'll just trying to have a little good time with my friends. Then I'll practice some OIRs and current affairs, and I'll observe what people, what lecture topics are going.
So how much days you have before your SSB?
It's on 22nd, so I'll have almost 9-10 days before boarding my train. So yes, these little bit of practice, mostly OIR and story writing, something like that, because these things are necessary for the screener, and that is the main thing, the first thing currently. If you do not.
So how you will practice OIR?
I've got a lot of material, the leaked OIRs.
We have got a book as well. Let me show you. This is the book we got from the PW, and it also includes some practice sets of OIR.
It is not sponsored, by the way, this video.
This is not sponsored. We are studying in DW, so we have some books.
We
like
have the
this.
Vardi as well. I would like to bring the Vardi.
We have a uniform. I saw him them. Yeah, DW Vardi. So we have one more book. This is of NK Natarajan, and
we brought the pizza.
so we
I would
are.
like to focus on that. So, bye, gentlemen.
We should focus on.
So let them go. I will continue, and we got one more
But
member.
since we were talking about how we would practice, I will tell my approach. But I actually don't have. We all actually don't have much time to practice. Our course will end on 12th and my SSB on 20th July in Dehradun only. So I have decided to stay here in some PG so that I don't have to travel again to Prayagraj and come back here for SSB. But the things are which I need to perform is I will regularly do G2 tasks at some
How
place.
you will do GTO?
I have some methods to, I have access to a GTO ground, so I will do practice. The main practice would be regarding idea, how to generate more ideas at critical situations. When it comes to psychology, only thing I can do is practice and think more. So that's my approach. And when it comes to interviewing part, the only thing I need to work upon is my general knowledge, general awareness and defense education. So it is what I need to do, and everything will be fine as I suppose.
So gentlemen, as he also mentioned, I have around only 5 to 7 days before my SSB. So
after the commentation, we will send you pizza.
No, gentlemen. So I will how I will practice. I will tell you that before going to SSB, I will more focus on OIR practice and PPDT practice as well. It is very much important. I will narrate. I will also upload some videos of my narration of PPDT, how I approach and practice. They will also share their video, and together we will be upload regularly. So you also get how we narrate and how we practice. It will improve our practice as well, and you also got the knowledge that how to perform in a PPDT. Whatever we have learned, we will do accordingly. And in PPDT, we will also discuss through Google Meets. I will arrange some Google Meets, and we togetherly discuss our that PPDT practice, and also GD practice we will do accordingly. And for lecturate, in my opinion, there were some books I will read, geopolitics, national issues, and also I have some notes which I have made.
The only thing that matters in lecturate is not only the knowledge, but you should also have the method to formulate. It's no use if you can't formulate your points. The basic approach in lecturate should not be recalling the whole content. Your approach should be making simple points which you have to include in your fluent way of
gentlemen, we will tell you about the lecturate, how to perform. I will make a short video for this, that whatever the points we have to include in the lecturate, so it will be helpful for you all. And for psych test, TAT and PPDT, I will definitely going to write more and more stories in my this 7 to 8 days. the practice, and also for the GD I said, for the lecturate I also said.
And gentlemen, a disclaimer that we will not be the perfect. We are not assessors and we don't have the exact knowledge required to assess. But only thing we can do is share our experiences, share our practices so that others can learn if we are making mistakes and if we are doing something
Yeah,
right.
gentlemen,
it's a
we are
win-win
not
situation.
actually not being recommended and not
Yes.
that much so. But as we are practicing and whatever the problem we are facing, I'm just expressing my views on that. You should listen this and learn whatever the failure and whatever the wrong things we are doing, so you cannot commit the same mistakes. So this was all about the practice we are going to
So
do.
we are moving to the end of video and I will like to divert your attention to all our members. Cheering upon pizza.
Let me add some point for this. Actually, as I am leaving, so this was for farewell party or something.
This is a lie.
Yes,
We are not paying ourselves. He is not paying for the entire.
Bro, I am not paying.
Ab
They
dekh,
are
sara
paying.
paisa दूंगा,
Bro, gentlemen, they are paying for me as for a farewell party. I mean that. Okay, gentlemen. Bye. Jai Hind.
diversion.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Bye,
Enjoy
gentlemen.
your day.
Jan guys.
We will meet you tomorrow.